Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into something exciting as we install the new Infinity X OS custom ROM on our device. This build is based on the latest Android 16 QPR2, bringing the freshest features and stability improvements right to your phone. Before we get started with the flashing process, make sure you have downloaded the correct ROM zip file for your specific model and have it saved on your device or SD card. Also, ensure your battery is charged to at least 60% to avoid any interruptions. For this installation, it is highly recommended to use a dynamic recovery. I'm currently using Orange Fox Recovery, which I find to be the most reliable for this Android version. So grab your phone and let's reboot into recovery mode. You can do this via the advanced power menu or by holding the volume up and power buttons simultaneously while the device is turning on. Here we are in the Orange Fox interface. The first step for a clean installation is wiping the old partitions. Head over to the Wipe menu. We need to select three specific items here: Dalvik/ART cache, cache, and data. Please be very careful here. Do not touch internal storage or any other partitions, just those three. Once you have them checked, swipe the slider at the bottom to confirm the wipe. This ensures we are starting with a clean slate for the new OS. Now that the cleanup is done, navigate back to your files list. Locate the folder where you saved the Infinity X OS Android 16 zip file. Tap on the file to select it. You don't need to add any extra cues right now. Just swipe the slider to begin flashing the ROM. This process will take a little bit of time as it writes the system, vendor, and product partitions, so just be patient and let the script finish running. Once the flashing is successful, we are not done just yet. We need to format the data to ensure the device boots correctly. Go back to the main menu, tap on the menu icon, select Manage Partitions, and choose Data. Tap on the check mark to format data, and you will need to type the word YES on the keyboard and hit Enter. Now, a quick side note, I'm keeping my device encrypted for this video, so I'm skipping the decryption step. However, if you want to decrypt your storage, you would need to reboot to recovery right now. Format data one more time and then flash the DFE version 5 zip file. Since I'm skipping decryption, I'm ready to boot. Hit the Reboot System button. You'll see the boot logo appear. Since this is the very first time the device is booting into Android 16, it might take a few minutes for the system to initialize, so don't worry if it sits on the logo for a while. That is perfectly normal. And there you go. We have successfully booted into Infinity X OS. You can now set up your device and enjoy the new Android 16 features. If you ran into any issues or have questions, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out and subscribe to the channel for more custom ROM content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.